Aye. Gucci on the Prada, see me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this glueless braided wig that was sent to me by Jaliza. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. As you can see, it's a full lace and this is a human hair boho coils. Like the coily hair that was used in making this hair is 100% human hair, which makes it tangleless and lightweight. The length of this wig is 36 inches and it was made with a transparent full lace. So right now I'm cleaning my hairline with 100% rubbing alcohol and I'm going to dry it with my blow dryer. And the next thing I'm going to do is to lay my hairline to the back using the bed head hairspray. And I'm also going to blow dry it while I brush it. I'm using the cool setting on my blow dryer to do this.
Now if you lose control, you got the fire control, let's get the groove on. Aye, on the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Aye, them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. Aye, really wanna test man for it.
This is what the inside of the lace looks like, and as you can see, it doesn't match my skin complexion. So I'm going to tint the lace and I'll be using a lace tint mousse. You can use a lace tint or a foundation, whichever one that works for you. Right now I'm going to blow dry it using the hot setting on my blow dryer.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego.
And this is what the outcome looks like, and as you can see, it matches my complexion way better than before. I'm cutting off the lace at the back to make things easier for me, and this is where the glueless installation starts from. So first I adjusted the elastic band and then I hooked both straps together. So this is to make the wig fit nicely to my head and also to make it glueless. So by the time you're done doing that, you should have something like this. I'm also using that same lace tint to tint my wig cap. That way it matches with my complexion. And guys, if you haven't tried tinting your lace cap with a lace tint, this is your sign to give it a try, because once it dries down, it does not stain, unlike foundation. So this is actually my first time of doing this and I love the outcome, and I think I'm going to continue doing it like this. So right now I installed the wig on my head, showing you guys what the back side looks like.
And a bad man, they feel alright. Say things, them are moving right. And a bad man, they feel alright. Let go.
This is the part where I had to dance. Like, I really had to dance. Guys, let me be honest with you. When I started this video, my plan was to use a holding spray to hold down this wig. Now listen, immediately I wore this wig, it was at that point that I decided I was going for a glueless install, because this wig fitted so well and secured, and the lace tint made the lace melt into my skin way better. As you can see, the baby hair that comes with this wig is a bit coily. You can actually leave it like this to give it that messy baby hair effect, but if you choose to lay it down like I did, you can also go ahead.
Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
I'm using the Nairobi styling mousse to lay down my baby hairs, and I'm also going to tie it down using a melting band.
Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. Inna ya, say she give me inna ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat.
So I'm using this foundation and a small flat brush to define the middle part on my wig to make it look even more realistic.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them are watching. They are free about them.
So it was past 11 p.m. and after filming this video I went straight to bed. So this is the next morning. My makeup is done. The only thing that went wrong was that my baby hairs disappeared before I woke up, because at some point I couldn't sleep properly because of the pain I was getting from the melting band. So I took it out, and when I woke up in the morning my baby hairs were gone, but my wig was still in place, which is a plus. So all I had to do was redo my baby hair, and right now I'm just defining the coils. I sprayed some water and applied some hair moisturizing conditioner, and I defined the coils using my derma brush. And like I said in the beginning of this video, the coils on this wig is 100% human hair boho coils, and that is why I'm able to do all of the things that I'm doing to this wig, like moisturizing it and defining the coils. I went ahead to add some accessories to make the hair pop. And guys, let me tell you once again, this wig is super duper lightweight, and the coils are so soft and easy to maintain, and above all I was able to wear mine glueless. And even when I throw my hair around, the wig still doesn't move, it doesn't lift, it doesn't pull back, it's just there. That's the good thing about it. And like I said in the beginning of this video, this wig is from Jaliza. I'm going to leave every details of the wig and also a direct link to this wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me all of them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me all let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Too low. I tell them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. So things them are moving right.